Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your badges earned on the Dyrt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on profile at the top. That's the first section. Then scroll down to the badges subcategory and click on the see all button on the right side of the screen. And here you can see all of your badges and their level, and you can find a brief description of the badges. So as you scroll down, you can check out all of them. Basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.